Hello, Drew here. Welcome to Garden of Maine, and looking for an old abandoned bridge. So, if you know my work on the New Deal, 1930s Public Works program, well, this is one of those. So, story is 1936, massive flood. Sorry. But yeah, massive flood. I think it's been compared to a 500-year flood. That bad. So anyways, the state had 36 bridges destroyed or damaged. So the federal New Deal programs through the Bureau of Public Roads stepped in on an emergency basis to rebuild all 36 bridges. And most were done in the year, in 1 year. All right, so this is Rolling Brook Stream, and it's called the Rolling Brook Stream Bridge. But it's been abandoned quite a while. This is Route 24 between Gardner and the coast. So whenever this was fixed, this is when this was abandoned and has been used quite a while. According to the picture, from the pictures, it looks like it's in pretty poor shape. All right, so let's go see it. Okay, there's the road down there. So, there you go, pretty big gravel pit up here. Okay, and there's the road we're gonna go down. Yeah, you can picture why this was abandoned, since that's right. If you're going to go to the coast, that's the Kennebec River down there, by the way. Yeah, if you're going to go to the coast, you're going to make a right turn and drive up this way. And that's what this I imagine that was like done in the 60s. Alright, let's go see the bridge. Okay. Well, there's the old asphalt. So, this was an asphalt road, although it's quite narrow, but that's how things were done back in the day. Yeah, notice it's got slight indentations. How the hell do they plow, in these? Alright. Ah, okay, we're here. This is the bridge, the Rolling Brook Stream Bridge. Or Rolling Brook Dam Bridge. Wow, pretty bad condition. Well, this is kind of a standard design for state bridges. Well, it's just not covered in graffiti. Oh my God, is that a painted line? Yeah, it is. There you go. It doesn't look wide enough, does it? This looks like a very, very narrow road. But again, I assume just because cars then were sort of narrow, because they're talking about the 1920s and so forth. Alright? They were all narrow. And they didn't go very fast either, so I guess that was the thinking. Alright, so let's go down the bank and take a look from the side. Alright, that's style bridge construction. It's known as I-beam. Alright. That's it. 1936 bridge. Abandoned for quite a while. This is in really poor shape. But it's abandoned, so the state doesn't care. Alright. Alright, let's keep walking down the road and see what we find. Alright, and there's the main road right over there. Alright, so this is a pretty short little section of abandoned road. Former 24, or former State Route 24, right there. Down here in Gardner, or Gardner. Okay, this is Drew. Thank you for coming. Thanks a lot for tuning in and watching my little videos. Alright, thanks a lot and see you later.